and also each and every one of these girls is really put in hard work, a lot of effort. I'm really proud to be the captain of them. Like, I'm so proud that I'm with them right now.
And these girls, I have always told them when you've seen them, these are 110%. They are all talented, but whenever they have been out on the field, they have given 110%.
I think this is the fruit to what we are bearing from the hard work that the girls and the coaching staff has put on for the last 1 month. And I thank Jonathan and all the players for working hard to get this trophy back to Goa.
This after 22 years, you have raised this flag back to Goan football and girls especially. I am so proud to be here, and whatever you want, I am ready to provide you.
This is a victory which is given by you all. The hard work, the perseverance and the commitment of the team was too good. The captain leading Emily, leading the entire troop, taking us to victory.
This is a victory, but you have to work even harder now, because to climb to a certain level is easy, but to remain at the top is very difficult. Okay, it's easy to fall down, so keep your feet grounded. You all are just 16, 15, 16, 17 years old. Still long way to go in your career. Okay, all of you all should work hard and aim to reach the national team.